Hi everyone, it's Phil from Lost Weekends. I'm inside at the moment, unfortunately, due to some workmen doing some work at my neighbour's, so I thought it'd be best if we came inside. So I'm going to be doing a little review on a product that's coming out today from Aldi. It's in the camping section on the special buys, and it is a table. It's ideal for camper vans and motorhomes and even camping with tents. So without further ado, let's have a look at what we've got. This is the Adventuridge Camping Table. It's quite a large camping table, and as you can see it comes in a handy carry case. Now this is $19.99 from Aldi at present, and it weighs just over 5 kilos. When you get it, it does come in a cardboard box, but we've taken it out because, to be fair, we bought this last year, but they're actually out again this year, and they're at the same price. So we've used this, and it's a really good product. So let's get it out of the packaging, and we'll show you what it looks like. So as you can see, it's got quite a nice grey top with the Adventuridge logo on the side there. It has a nice rubberized spring handle, which is quite comfortable to carry, and it has 2 locking clips at the top. Moving on to the side, as you can see there's a side locking clip so that when it's fully extended and open you can lock it down and it won't collapse on you. And there we go. On the other side there's the same one there. So let's open this up. As you can see, it's hinged on this side, and what we do now is we can lock them down. Swap that over now and lock that one down too. So turning it round, you have your legs. They also have hinge clips here, as you can see there, and they lock it into place. Now this table, if I lie it flat now, I can show you a little bit more in ease. You can actually adjust the legs so they pull up and they lock in with a button. Now let's have a look. So we can do that one, and we'll do the other one now. There we are. So extended to its full height, it is at 69 centimetres in height. The overall length of the tabletop is 120 centimetres and the width is 60 centimetres. So that's the Adventuridge camping table. I think it's a really good product. I like the size of it. I like the height adjustment. We used it in the summer last year, and we used it like a coffee table, as well as we used it as table as well. It was great in the garden for a little addition there as well. So it's all round, it's quite a good handy product. The only issue I do have with it, however, when you've collapsed it and you're trying to put it back into the cover, it's quite difficult to get in. It's a bit of a faff. I mean, if they'd have made the bag a little bit bigger, it would have got in a lot easier, and it would have been a lot easier to store away. But other than that, I have no issues with it. Like I said, it's on sale today at Aldi in the special buy section. So why don't you pop down and grab yourself a bargain? So thanks for watching this. We do appreciate you dropping by and checking out our channel. But if you'd like to subscribe, you can always click up there. And also, if you are subscribed, don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can catch us with our regular updates. We do try to do one at least once a week. They're usually every Sunday, but this one's an early one today because the product's going out today. So it was a quick one, this. So thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.